how to add text-to-speech and Canva video. Now this is the video that I will be using to add the text-to-speech feature. But since Canva does not have such feature, I will be using another website called voicemaker.in. So this website is free, which is why this is what I recommend using. Now in this box, you can write your text. For instance, "Hi, please like and subscribe." And then when you scroll down, you will see this voices section in which it offers you various voices. So when you select Joey Mail, you can hear this by clicking this convert to speech button.
Hi, please like and subscribe.
Or when you select Kimberly Female,
Hi, please like and subscribe.
or Evelyn Female.
Hi, please like and subscribe.
So, say for example, I want to use this audio. Now what I'm going to do is to download this audio by clicking this download MP3 button. Once it's downloaded, go back to Canva and then drag the file here. So you can drag the downloaded audio here. So once it's downloaded, drag it under the video. So you can also change the position of the audio by dragging the audio. And then click this button to play.
Hi, please like and subscribe.
And so that is how you add text-to-speech and Canva video. Thank you and have a great day.